Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix share my location is not working on your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, drag down your control center and make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and after this simply force restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then what we need to do, we have to go for the other solution. The other solution is simply open your setting, scroll down, scroll down, and from here tap here privacy and security, type here, and from here guys tap on location services, tap here, and from here guys turn off location service one time, turn off, and after this turn it on back, and after this simply tap on share my location, tap on share my location and turn off one time, and after this again tap on and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then the other solution is simply open your setting, tap here journal, tap here software update, and make sure that there is no update on your iPhone. If there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then the other solution is simply go back, scroll down, tap your transfer or reset iPhone, tap your reset and reset your network setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.